Hello from New Hampshire. We just crossed over this morning and we are here now at Dixiville Notch State Park, and we are here at Table Rock and we are going to hike it. We're gonna take coffee just to get her out and spend some one-on-one time with her, and we're leaving the little guy. But yeah, we're excited. It says it's dog friendly, however they say it's not safe for dogs, or it's like I don't know, but I saw someone else leave with their dog and Destiny really wants to take coffee, so we're gonna risk it and take you guys along the way while we explore. And we're gonna explore New Hampshire all weekend.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything.
Alright, I put on a windbreaker and so did Destiny. She was bundled. I think you had a beanie on. But it's pretty cold. But more than cold, it is very, very steep. We haven't hiked, honestly, since we were in Yosemite. Doing Angel's Landing. Wait, no. Half Dome, yeah. So we haven't hiked since Half Dome, which was like over 2 months ago. Mainly just because we've been city living, and we have been walking a lot. Like in one span, we were like walking 6 miles, just like city life, and it's still great for cardio, and walking still great for exercise, but God, does incline kill you. But it's nice to be out in nature again. It's so beautiful. And yeah, we are hiking Table Rock. Probably won't see it till the top because this is killer. Just let me show you this for reference. But we came from down. But hey, ready? Ready, guys? Yes, do it! Go! Come on! Oh, FYI, super muddy in October. Come on. Good girl.
This isn't how it's supposed to be.
Alright, so we made it up and we changed our mind. Instead of going to Artist Bluff, there is something called Bald Mountain, and you literally just make a left instead of a right. We've seen six people, and I heard the other one is extremely crowded. So this one is like a better 360 view. So what I've heard, and then Artist Bluff is just has a view of the lake. We're definitely still doing Artist Bluff because why not? Yeah. So, but this is breathtaking. It is just all the colors and it's so beautiful. I love it. We made it. It is so beautiful. Alright guys, so pro tip, actually it's not a pro tip, there's no tip. If you're hiking Artist Bluff,
Don't come on the weekend, obviously.
I mean, oh, it is Saturday.
And it's sunset time.
Sunset time.
We hike like noobs in the evening.
Like noobs. Oh.
We never hike this
Oh, yeah. We usually hike in the sunset. Sunrise. Well, this was pretty for sunrise, sunset. But we did. This is our third hike, so we couldn't do this one for sunrise. But if you want to do it for sunrise, or else you'll get this crowd. We got this pizza and it looks so delicious. Schilling. And mac and cheese. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning to you. To you. It has been a few days since we've last explored and we are so excited because we're exploring some more today. We are gonna put some gas right now and then all right, so we just finished pumping gas. We are going to go to Flume Gorge, which is a pretty cool, like one of the more popular things to do in one of the state parks here. And you do have to pay to get in, which we are going back and forth if we wanted to go or not wanted to go because it's $18 to get in. But everyone that I've watched on YouTube says it's absolutely worth it. So, and it's a nice little walk that you can get in. So that seems like it's kind of cool, like kind of like a hike, but not really. So we're dressed warm because it is so cold. And today's very sad and gloomy, but that's okay. The colors are still beautiful and red. Look at that, out the tree, out the windows, everything's still beautiful. So we're excited to explore. We're gonna snack on some of our energy balls that Destiny made for us. They're so good. Peanut butter energy balls. Very good. I'm gonna go all along the Kancamagus Highway and then see all of the waterfalls and overlooks and just see all of the beautiful stops, and then yeah, we'll take you along on our day and show you this beautiful state. I did just find out it is a 2-mile walking trail or nature trail. Had no idea, but that's okay. We're getting our walk out in this morning. Walk in walk in our nice little exercise, and it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that's where everyone is. We just arrived at the Flume, or on the trail to it. You know, 0.568 miles. I don't think we've walked that far. No. It's so beautiful. It's a nice nature walk for sure. so dark. Whoa. You want to go out of the wolf's den, you come through here. No thank you, I will not be doing that. But if the other way I entered, you come out through this way and then exit. Great, so we just finished the Flume Gorge and it was super cool. It is a walk along a nice 2-mile trail. A lot of like incline, but it's doable. We are heading, it was just about 10 minutes away to White Mountain Bagel Co, I think it is. But yeah, we're starving. We had some of our energy balls, but we are actually hungry. So we're gonna grab some bagels and some coffee. And then, unfortunately, we have work. So we're gonna figure it out. We woke up a little bit later than expected. We wanted to get through the Kancamagus drive all before work. So we may just like hang out here and then try and do it either on our lunch or half of it, or have to sleep over here and then go through it tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's go get some bagels. Alright, so we just made it here to White Mountain Bagel. It's right off the highway. It's easy to miss, but we got a coffee. I got a vanilla hazelnut coffee, and it's just a basic coffee. I would say definitely come for the bagels. Alright, so this delicious bagel, I got it on an everything bagel, and Destiny and I both got the same thing. We got a tomato, what is it? Tomato melt? It smells so good. It has spinach, tomato, provolone. Again, back to my vegetarian ways, you know? Wow. So good.
After breakfast, we went to our campsite and finished work for the day. Later in the day, we enjoyed a beer while we watched the sunset.
Good morning. It is the next day. We are driving the Kancamagus Highway and then gonna do some of the pit stops along the way, and already we're just getting started and it's so beautiful already. Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at this beauty. Can we even see up there? So we are gonna leave. We came just, you know, dressed like this and prepared for pretty much just the drive of the Kancamagus. I knew there were short trails, but a lot of people saying like you have to do Lincoln Woods, you have to do Lincoln Woods. Lincoln Woods is actual like a full trail. Like when we stopped over there, it says, "Are you bear aware?" Which we are, but we weren't planned. Like I thought it was like a short, like a real short hike. But these were like 1.4, 2.6, and those are shorter hikes. We just are like literally not prepared. Like we have full makeup on. We
Have a train ride soon.
Yes, we booked a train ride, so that starts at 11. Super beautiful. It's a nice like little nature walk. If you have the time, definitely probably do the waterfall. But I know that we have a ton of more waterfalls on the way, so we also still haven't had breakfast or coffee yet. So I'm not trying to do 2 miles before that. So we saw this beautiful area and we're gonna walk back to the car and then finish the highway. We went to one of the most famous overlooks here on the Kancamagus Highway, but as you can see behind me, it's almost, oh, that side's starting to clear up. Wow, that happened in a matter of seconds. It was very cloudy is what I was gonna say, and we can't see the overlook for what it's supposed to be. Also, sorry if it's very windy. My wind mic cover flew off or blew off while we were at the gorge yesterday, so I don't know what happened, but yeah, we are just on the Kancamagus. Honestly, I would say pro tip, go in the morning because there's not a lot of people. Like, we're at a lot of these spots by yourself. Like, you can see just our van, there was one car here left and then one new car came. However, it's freezing and you could get this, I don't know if this is morning fog or if this is normal. I don't know. This is our first time here. Made a pit stop. We're
Very fast pit stop.
We just found out that we have to be at our train 30 minutes before, so we don't want to miss the things that are along the way. So Sabada Falls, which I heard is like a good stop. It's a nice 0.6 round trip, yeah. So it's 0.3 there and back, but I think that it will be worth it because, like, when are we coming back? Who knows? But we're speed racing up this hill, literally, so we can get there, see it, see the beautiful of it, get another workout, actual workout in, and then head to the train. See you at the falls. Made it to the falls. It's really cool. So you reach to the top. It looks like it's a small waterfall, but then you just keep walking down and you see it all along the stops. It says, so I think you can view it from right here as well. We made it to the waterfall. Thank you.
Made it to the train and it is 10:57. We decided to move to a different train car because the one behind us was completely empty and we had it all to ourselves. 3 minutes left more.
That was it?
Yes, we almost didn't make it.
Wow.
I went to 3 lines to try to get our tickets. I went to the ticket box. I went to Will Call. Then Will Call sent me to this other lady that was just standing in her own line. And then I ran to the bathroom, and then when I came back, the line was gone. We're here!
First time on a train like this, and we decided, the conductor, I guess, told us that this side was louder, the other side was more quiet, which you might hear, but we literally have this entire cab to ourselves, and there's tons of people over there. Like, I could see them, and if we wanted, we could walk back across, and we could like walk back across if we wanted, but there was like kids running around, jumping from seat to seat, and I'm like, I don't know if that would be the best experience.
train ride?
Absolutely. Worth my $20. 23 probably, right? Something like that. For white face. But 100% worth it. If you have the time, make this a priority. It's so cool, and I'm pretty sure all these trees, if not dead, are just as beautiful. But even the ride, there's just still so much to see. It's amazing. And this is our first train ride like this. I've only been on Amtrak. Destiny's only been on, what do you say? Metro. So it's like a fast train or like a get somewhere train. But I think I'm gonna incorporate more of these because this is so cool. Like I just
Sorry if it's bumpy. Whoa.
and so this is so cool. And the window can open. Like so awesome. I feel like I'm back in what is it? 1109.
1909.
Oh, that says 1109.
Oh, really?
Oh, maybe it's
The box?
coach number 1109, but this car was built in 1924, and each of the cars, I guess, were built in a different time, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we made it back to the car, and that was the coolest.
So fun.
Yes, it was so much fun. It was like the coolest experience we've had. I need to go on more train rides. That was just so cool.
It was fun.
Yeah.
So fun.
And now we're off to
Cheese, Louise.
Cheers, Louise. It's Louise. And I think it's gourmet cheese. I'm not too sure, but we're gonna head there, grab something to eat because we're starving.
So hungry.
So we made it to Cheese Louise, and I'm super excited because they had a vegan cheese, and oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm having a vegan sandwich with, what did I get inside? Oh, pickles. I'll show you everything, but I think I got pickles that are infused with Cajun, and they make them here, so I'm really excited. And I also got a maple lemonade. It's freezing, but I was like, I want to try it. They don't have any hot drinks, so. Don't taste maple. Was it maple or did you mean just classic lemonade?
Maple lemonade.
I don't taste it. I want to taste yours. It's raining. There you go. So excited. And I got you secret sauce.
Nice. Appreciate a good white mac and cheese.
So I got the no pork and whey, and it has vegan slaw in it, and then I can get vegan cheese. It says on there, like at the bottom, if you want vegan cheese or gluten-free or anything like that. And then these are their pickles that they make, homemade. Really excited. They're supposed to be like Cajun. She said they're like made with Cajun. I thought they sprinkled it on, but I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna try them. Pretty good. Actually spicy. Wow. It's starting to rain. Alright, let's bite this. Pretty good.
Good?
It has like a barbecue sweet potatoes in here, which I'm excited about. Okay.
Yeah.
Good? That's good. Yeah.
And I got the Godmother, which mine is homemade pesto, sliced tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and balsamic glaze. All my favorite ingredients. Honestly, it tastes like, what is it called when you get pesto, cheese, and...
Caprese?
Yeah, it tastes like a caprese, but wait. Yeah, it tastes like a caprese salad with pesto. Bomb. And my side was mac and cheese. I don't like pickles.
These are pretty good. You want to try them?